Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 823 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, CleanSpark has finalized $35 million in financing from Trinity Capital. WONDF has been added to CoinShares Blockchain Global Equity Index, and DIGI has acquired SPETS Limited. Just before we get into today's show, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, as well as many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Right, so CleanSpark Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker CLSK, has finalized $35 million in non-dilutive financing from venture debt financing provider Trinity Capital Inc. Trinity Capital trades on the Nasdaq, by the way, under the ticker TRIN. According to the press release, CleanSpark plans to use the proceeds from the facility for growth capital expenditures. Ryan Little, the managing director of equipment financing at Trinity Capital, comments, quote, "We are excited to partner with the team at CleanSpark, which is on a mission to mine Bitcoin responsibly using a mix of sustainable energy, including nuclear, hydroelectric, solar, and wind. CleanSpark is an excellent addition to our portfolio and recently earned a spot among the top 50 fastest growing companies on a Financial Times list. We look forward to being a part of their growth story." End quote. WONDF Technologies Inc., which trades on the OTC under the ticker WONDF, has announced that it will be added to the CoinShares Blockchain Global Equity Index. This is effective May 9th, 2022. Boasting over $900 million USD in assets, the CoinShares Index, according to the press release, was designed to offer exposure to listed companies that participate or have the potential to participate in the blockchain or cryptocurrency ecosystem, and aims to capture the potential investment upside generated by earnings related to the adoption of blockchain technologies or cryptocurrency. DIGI Global Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker DIGI, has signed a non-binding memorandum of understanding to acquire all of the issued and outstanding shares of Israel-based SPETS Limited. SPETS is described in the press release as a technology company which has developed artificial intelligence software to operate a revolutionary and fast-growing mobile application that connects members of the public to available top-rated tradespeople, service providers, and professionals in their area immediately or at any scheduled time. DigiMax's CEO Chris Carl commented on the news, quote, "We've spent a great deal of time with the SPETS team over the past few months, and we have been impressed with the hardworking, single-purpose-driven nature of the team, despite already enjoying strong growth. We believe this makes a great fit with the DigiMax team. We are excited to be able to help accelerate the SPETS growth plans through the synergy with DigiMax resources in North America, combined with the product and services that SPETS has already developed. Our view is that SPETS has the potential to scale its impressive existing revenue quickly with excellent profit margins." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.